Welcome everyone to Tradeview Markets FX division. My name is Jose Ricardo Tejain, and today, Saturday, March 17, 2018, I will go over the charts and the most relevant content for cryptocurrencies. We're going to discuss Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and of course, we have Ripple. Now, I want to just let you know in advance that every piece of content, it's only for educational purposes. This video does not constitute financial advice, nor indicates that we're looking for you to sell or buy any cryptocurrency. Please remember that past performance does not indicate future performance. Let's begin. So first, as I said, I'm just going to go quickly to our offer. Tradeview Markets, we are proud of having a flexible environment for traders, new traders, investors, anyone that wants to explore the fascinating trading world will be welcome at Tradeview Markets. And let me share with you the first platform, CTrader. This is a very elegant technical platform allowing you to have a variety of execution orders, calling from pending orders, trailing stops, very specific platform. And also open doors for you to understand market depth. It's a concept where you actually see the different volumes before you actually place a trade. Also, MetaTrader 4. This has been since 2005 the most loved platform for retail traders. Why? Well, because basically it offers you the opportunity to explore freedom by using the automated trading functionality. CurrentX. This platform is for those of you that are ready to jump into becoming a professional Forex trader. It's an only execution, no charts, but it allows you to have a look at the interbank liquidity. More than 50 banks that will offer you liquidity to trade. Now that we have that information, let's begin. We're going to jump directly. We're going to go to our colleagues from Bloomberg.com, and one of the things we want to discuss today will be this headline, Bitcoin's death cross. And what is a death cross? Now, we all know the basics, fundamental technical analysis. We know that. But in technical analysis, there's a few patterns, moving average crosses that they lead over time with a base of historical recurrences to a situation. Now, the death cross is a very particular combination between the 50 moving average and the 200. I'm just going to go real quick to the chart that they provide here. Always remember the source, Bitstamp via Bloomberg. And I think this is very relevant for everyone to understand what is happening. After we check another website, I review another website, we're going to jump into our MT4 and take a look at what is happening there. And you will see that you don't need all the time to look into what the headlines are saying as far as the news. You can always have, based on simple technical analysis 101, you can have this information. And our team at Tradeview Markets is always happy to provide it to you so you make the best decisions before trading. All right? So look at this. So the information they're providing is the 50, you can see here the 50 moving average, it's how slowly it's getting close to the 200. And this is not something that we should take lightly. This actually, besides what we have been discussing in other videos, it's a fact. Bitcoin is in a bearish market. Now, this is a market that it's a trading environment. You must trade in order to survive. Because even if you want to be an investor, the price that you're paying compared to the bottom, it could be something relatively high. Okay, so now we have to pay attention to this. How are we going to translate that? I'm going to just jump directly to our MT4 and show you that it's correct. It's right there. We are on the daily chart, and you can see this is the 50 period moving average exponential, and we have here the 200. As prices keep getting the moving average is really getting close, this is defining what we know in technical analysis as the death cross, and prices can really hit it low. Now, we go back to the headlines. We're talking here ICE on the 2,800 level. But we also been discussing during these videos the parabolic price action. And this is one from Jim Rogers, the legendary investor that used to work with George Soros in the Quantum Fund, returning more than over 1,000% in a very short period of time, 5-10 years, if you want to consider that a short period. Now, what you have to pay attention is that when you have a parabolic move, it goes all the way here, goes here, and comes all the way down, usually you can go back as 90% of the original price, meaning you will lose up to 90% of all the price action here. So you shouldn't be surprised if it goes all the way here to this moving average, and we're looking at the 2,900 level, which it does make sense. Now we're on the weekly chart, so you have to pay attention. Always remember, look at the charts. And as a final thought here on Bitcoin, always remember we have been discussing this trend line. This is a very important trend line to keep an eye. And the facts are real, and they are on the screen. You don't have to look anything else out there. It's here. Prices below the 50-period exponential moving average, you are favoring shorts. More information. Now prices are below the 200-period moving average exponential. Always remember that. It's another indication, another filter. So you have 1, 2, 3. 3 filters working for you and showing you this information. And the same can be said if we look at what's happening here on Litecoin. We have been discussing this. Unless there's a break above the 50 exponential moving average, that means the value 174, unless I see a break and close above this level, I'm not a buyer. And you shouldn't be a buyer either. I look at Ethereum, same process. I'm just going to go here to my indicator list, moving average. I'm going to go for the 50, put it blue, just have it here, and right there is the same process. Unless I see prices closing above the 805, for example, level, I'm not a buyer. We are in a bearish cryptocurrency environment, and you need to trade. And of course, one more time, I'm going to take a look at Ripple. Now, Ripple is the only one that you may want to pay attention. On the weekly chart, we're looking at support here. Now, you look at the support around 55 cents, but remember, there is a close and open below this level. We can easily, take a look at this, we can easily go and revisit the genesis of the price action, the 30 cents. So overall today, I just want to give you an overview of what is happening. Lessons: don't trade based on what your friends are saying. And number 2, just pay attention to the charts. We're in a bearish market for cryptocurrencies. For Tradeview Markets, Jose Ricaurte, Jaén.